Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum, and there's a lot of really smart people there. Today's puzzle is called Double Booked by Zibble, and here are the rules. We have more meetings and wait. Why are several of them overlapping? Oh, this is not good. Here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means place the digits 1 through 9 once each in every row, column, and box. We have cages, where digits in cages sum to the digit in the top left corner. Note that some cages have overlapping cells, and cages are colored to make it clear which cell belongs to which cage. So for example, if this were, say, 3 and 2, this would have to be a 6, because these three digits must add up to 11. And that's an example of how cages work. And we also have Renban, where digits along a Renban line form a set of consecutive non-repeating digits. So as an example, you could have something like 6, 8, and 7 there, and it should be in any order, right? It doesn't have to be in any specific order. Or you could have something like 6, 5, and 4. That works because it's consecutive set. What you could not have, though, is something like 3, 6, 5, and 3, because 3, 5, and 6 don't form a set of consecutive non-repeating digits. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, the first ones that stand out to me are the 2 cages in a box, which add up to 16 in total with 1 overlapping digit. Now, the minimum you can have for 5 unique digits to add up to is 15. And since 1 is overlapping, that means the minimum for 2 cages with 1 overlapping cell in the same box is 16. And we know the overlapping cell is 1, and we know the other cells must add up to a certain pair. So this is 1 plus 7, and this is 7. This is 1 plus 6, and this has to be a 2-4 pair, and this must be a 3-5 pair to add up to 9 and 7, or 7 and 9 respectively. This cannot be 3 or 5. It's 2 or 4 here, which makes this 3 or 5 to add up to 7. And this is the same, but it could be any of them are 2 to 5, right? Here, this cage cannot add. So first of all, we know this adds up to 7, and this adds up to 9. That's 16, which only have, for 5 unique digits, can only be the possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So we need a 6 here. It cannot be here, so it must be here, which makes this 1, 2, and 6, which eliminates 1, 2, and 6 in the rest of the column. This can't be 2 or 6, so this must be 4 and 3, which makes this a 2-5 pair here. Well, where's the 1 in column 4? Can't be here because of the 1, 2, 6 triplet in the box. Can't be here because of the 1 in the box. So there must be here. And you can't have 2 and you can't have 5. So you could have 1, 3, and 7 adding up to 10, or 1, 4, and 6. We're not sure which. Okay, so we're guaranteed a 1 here. Okay, we have these digits are 25 and 26. Actually, let's do this one. In box 9, we have two cages with 1 overlapping that add up to 29. Well, 7 digits, and they comprise of 7 cells with one being doubled. 7 digits with one digit duplicated is at minimum 1 through 7, which is 28, plus 1, which is 29, which exactly adds up to the sum of these cages here. So this must be a 1 here, and these must be 2 through 7. And this can't be 2 or 4 because of the 2-4 pair in the column. This has to be 8 or 9. This is 8 or 9. So 1 eliminates 1 here. What about maximum? Maximum. The maximum you could have. Okay. Remaining digits in box 6 have to be 6, 7, 8, 9. To form a Renban, it's either 6, 7, 8 or 7, 8, 9. So either way, this is 6 or 9 here, and then this has to be 6, 7, 8, 9 there. Remaining digits in box 5 are 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have a 6, 7, 8, 9 quadruplet in row 6. That eliminates 6, 7, 8, 9 in the rest of the row. So the remaining digits must be 1 through 5. Well, this can't be 1 or 2 to add up to 20 with 2 other digits, because 1 would have to add up to 2 other digits that add up to 19. 2 would have to add up with 2 other digits that add up to 18, and no 2 unique digits can add up to that. So it could be 3, 8, 9, 4, 7, 9, 5, 6, 9, or 5, 7, 8. We have a 6, 7, 8, 9 quadruplet in row 5, which eliminates 6, 7, 8, 9 in the rest of the rows. So this must be 2, 4, or 5 here. Well, where is the 2 in row 4? Can't be here because of the 2, 5 pair in the box. Can't be here because it's a 3, 5 pair. So 2 has to be one of these digits, which eliminates 2 in the rest of the box. So these can't be 2. Okay. 7 digits can add up to a maximum of 3 to 9. So that's 42. And if you add another unique digit, another duplicatable digit, which would be the maximum would be 9. 42 plus 9 is 51, which is exactly what this has to be here. Right? Because it adds up to 51 here. So this must be a 9. So this is a 9. It's surrounded by 3 through 8s. And this must be a 1, 2 pair then. Okay. This is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits on this Renban. And it has to have a 2. So that means it's at most 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 and 9 cannot be on this Renban. So this cannot be 8, 9. This can't be 8, 9. Where is the 8, 9 in column 4? It has to be here. So this 9 eliminates 9 here. So this is 8. That's 9. This is 6 and 7. Or 7. Sorry. This is 6 or 7 here. This is 6 or 7 here, which means we have a 3 or 4 here. Remaining digits in box 2. We have 3, 4, 5, and 7. 8 can't be here or here. So we're guaranteed 5 and 7 here, so this cannot be 7 here. This can't be 7 here. This 6 eliminates 6 here. Remaining digits in column 6 are 5, 7, 8, 9. Um, 5 cannot form a 3-length Renban with 2. And where is 2 in column 5? It can't be on the Renban. It has to be here. So this is 2, which eliminates 2 here. 5 has to be one of these digits here. The problem with 5, though, I guess you could have 5, 4, 6, maybe? So 1 out of 3 or 4 is definitely on this Renban. Since 1 out of 3 or 4 is on this Renban, the other 3 or 4 cannot be, so it must be 4 here, which eliminates 4 in the rest of the column. So this is 3, 5, 7, which eliminates 3, 5, and 7 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 3, that's 4, which means this can't be a 4, 6 pair. It's a 1, 3, 7 triplet, which eliminates 1, 3, and 7 in the rest of the column and box. So this can't be 7. This is 6. That eliminates 6 in the rest of the box. This must be 4, 5, and 6 to add up to be on a Renban. That eliminates 5 here, and these can't be 7. So this becomes an 8, 9 pair, which eliminates 8 and 9 in the rest of the column. So this can't be 8 or 9. This is 7. That eliminates 7 here. So where's 7 in row 4? It has to be here. So this cannot be 7 here. So this can't be 4, 7, 9. So this is 3, 8, 9, or 5, 6, 9. So either way, 9 has to be here, which eliminates 9 in the rest of the row. This digit, one of these digits is a 2. We don't know which. So this has to be, we need a 6 in box 4. Can't be here, can't be here, can't be here, so it must be here. So this is 5, 6, and 9, which eliminates 6 and 9 in the rest of the row. So this can't be 6. This is a 7, 8 pair, which eliminates 7, 8 in the rest of the box. This can't be 8. This is 6, 9 as a pair, which eliminates 9 here. So this is 8. That's 9. That leaves this as 2, 7, and 8. Well, this digit cannot be 8 because it's only 6 digits on this Renban, and we guaranteed to have a 2. We need a 3, and we need a 5. So this has to be a 3 and 5 pair here, which makes this a 7. 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 4, which makes this 2, which makes that 4. 2 eliminates 2 here, so it's 5 and 2. This can't be 4, 5. This can't be 4, 5. Okay. 4 eliminates 4 here. 5 eliminates 5 here. Okay. This adds up to 15 with a 1. So that means the other 3 digits must add up to 14. Okay. Remaining digits in column. Nine. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 4. So this can't be 7. So this... And we can't have... So what Renbans can be here? You can't have 1, 2, 3 because 1 and 2 are not possible here. You can't have 2, 3, 4 because 4 is not possible on the Renban because of the 4 in the row here, and the 4 in the column here. So you can't have 3 at all. So you could have, but you have to have a 7 somewhere. So 7 has to be one of these 2 digits, which eliminate. Okay, so this can't be 7 or 4. So this 7 has to be on this Renban because we don't have a 4, and we can't have 1, 2, and 3. So that eliminates 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6, which means the remaining possible renbands are 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, and 7, 8, 9, all of which require a 7. This can't be 8 or 9 here because of 8 and 9 in the row. This can't be 9 because of 9 in the row. So 7's here, which eliminates 7 from being here. These add up to 14. I think it has to be 3, 5, and 6 then. Right? This 9 eliminates 9 here, so this is 6, which makes this 9. That means this can't be 6 here, no 6 here. Yeah, to add up to 14, if you have 3 and 5, you're guaranteed to have 6. If you have 5 and 6, you're guaranteed to have 3. If you're 3 and 5, you're guaranteed to have 6 here. So this is 3, 5, 6, which eliminates 3, 5, 6 in the rest of the box. Where is the 2? It has to be here. 1, 2, 4, and 7 add up to 14. This 4, 7 pair eliminates 4 and 7 in the rest of the row. We need a 2 on this renband because it's either 1 through 6 or it's 2 through 7. So 2 cannot be any of these. 2 can't be here. So 1 cannot be on this renband either. It's 3 through 9. Oh, we need a 9 in column 3, and it has to be one of these 3 cells. So then this has to be 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 6 or 9. We know this is 6 guaranteed and 9 guaranteed. That eliminates 6 in the rest of the column. And 9 in the rest of the column. We need a place for 5. Where can it be? It has to, so remaining digits in box 7 are 1 through 5. And this can't be 5 and this can't be 5. No 2 here, no 2 here, no 1, 2 here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quintuplet in column 1, which eliminates 1 through 5 in the rest of the column. This can't be 2. This can't be 3, 4, 5. No 3, 5. So this is 6 with 7 here. Well, 6 or 7 or 6 and 8. Well, you can't have 6, 7, and 8 here with a 9. That would add up to 30. So this can't be 8. This is 3. That eliminates 3 in the rest of the box. So we have 3 and 6 here, guaranteed. 3, 6, and 9 add up to 18. 25 minus 18 is 7. So this must be 7 and 6. 7, 6, which means this can't be 7. This is 5. This can't be 5. This must be 4 here because there's no other place for it. And then this must be 8. So we have 5 and 8 here. That eliminates 8 in the rest of the column. So we have a 6, 7, 9 triplet, which eliminates 6, 7, 9 in the rest of the column. So this is 2, which forces this to be 1, which forces this to be 2. And this 1 eliminates 1 here, so this is 3 and 1. No more 1 and 2 in column 1, so this is a 3, 4, 5 triplet. 7 eliminates 7 here. So this is 8, which makes this 7. We have a 3, 4, 5 triplet in box 7, which eliminates 3, 4, 5 in the rest of the box. This can't be 3 or 4. This is 1. This can't be 1, 3, or 4, so it's 2. This 1 eliminates 1 here, so it's 3, which makes this 7, which makes that 1. This can't be 3 or 4 because of the 4, 7 pair in the row. So this must be 5. This can't be 7 or 9 because of the 8, 9 pair also in the row. So this is 6. No 6, no 6. 7 here eliminates 7 in the rest of the row. So this is 8. This is 9. This is 7. This can't be 5. And this can't be 5 here. Okay. This can't be 1 or 6 because of 1 or 6 in the row, so this is 2. 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 3. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 5. No 5 here, no 5 here. Remaining digits in row 1 are 5, 8, and 9. Okay. Well, you cannot have 9. That eliminates 5, 8, and 9 in the rest of the box. And this becomes a 6, 7 pair, which eliminates 6 and 7 in the rest of the column. And 6 and 7 can only be with 5 or 8 to form a Ren band, so this cannot be 9. This can't be 6 or 7, so this must be 3, which means this can't be 3 or 6, so it's 5, which makes this 6. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 9 and 6. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 4 and 6. 4 eliminates 4 here, so it's 3 and 4. There's no 2 here. There's no 2 here. 7 here eliminates 7 here, so this is 6 and 7. This can't be 5 because of 5 in the column. 6 eliminates 6 here, so this is 1 and 6. Remaining digits in row 2 are 2 and 4. 2 cannot be here because of 2 in the column, so it's 4 and 2. 4 eliminates 4 here, so it's 7 and 4. 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 8 and 7. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 9, which makes this 8, which makes this 9, which makes that 8, which makes that 9. This can't be 8 or 9, so it's 5, which forces this to be 8, and that leaves this not as a 5. That's 3 and 5, which forces this to be 3 and 1. Well, this will be a fun afternoon. Guess Zibble will be busy running around trying to not miss too much of any one meeting. It's pretty cool, actually. I haven't done overlapping cages in a long time, actually. I don't think it's been a while since I've seen them. So, but this was rather simple because these were the minimum and maximums possible, right? So we didn't have quite as much ambiguity as we could have, I guess, with overlapping cages. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.